Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create RAR and zip files using app called RAR on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021. So in order to do that, you'll need to get some files first. So I will just go to my downloads and select 3 of these app files. So now to compress it into a zip or RAR file, we'll need to press on this plus button right here after selecting everything that we want to pack. From here we can customize our file by changing its name, for example. So I'm just gonna call it Fortnite because it's a Fortnite installer. We can change it extension from RAR to zip or for 4.x. I'm gonna use RAR. You can enable to delete files after archiving, which I'm gonna do, or create solid archive. The next option is advanced, where you can change all of its settings right here. You can also change options. All of the options are available right here. And you can leave a comment for the file as well. So let me just leave it like Fortnite. Installer. Okay. After you've set up everything, you can press on the OK, and the RAR file will be created in the same folder that all of the files were created. So it's right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.